This Valentine's Day, show yourself or your loved ones some love by making a heart-healthy smoothie. Cards and gifts are only part of the equation. Don't forget, food is love. I have partnered with Enhanced Omega-3 to share with you a delicious heart-healthy smoothie, Chocolate Strawberry Smoothie. To make a smoothie that is good for the heart, you want to focus on a few nutrients: omega-3, antioxidants, and fiber. EO3 contains all of these three nutrients, and it really stands out because it contains all the omega-3 that your body needs for the day, and contains 20 grams of protein that can help you feel satisfied. This makes it the perfect base for my chocolate strawberry smoothie. Strawberries provide the fiber for heart health, and cacao provides additional antioxidants that support heart health. To make the smoothie, simply blend a ready-to-drink smoothie EO3, fresh or frozen strawberries, and cacao powder. Blend until you reach a smoothie consistency. Feeling extra creative? Make this into a smoothie bowl and create a heart-shaped design in the middle with strawberries for a loved one. You can also enjoy this heart-healthy smoothie for breakfast or post-exercise. Now visit drinkeo3.com to get your EO3